Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to the kinemaster video exporting speed test comparison between the Snapdragon 870 processor from the iQOO 7 versus the Snapdragon 865 from the iQOO 3. Let's see friends which processor will be the really faster in terms of the video exporting. So that is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. So in this video I'll try to use the same application and same video in both phones, and I'll try to convert the 1080 clip. So first I'll try to convert this 1080 clip into the 4K, and from 4K to 1440 and then full HD. So this is the way how I'll be doing it. So let me need to select the 4K resolution during this time of testing. As you can see friends, 4K, so, and same bitrate I'm trying to select in both phones, absolutely, as you can see. And the estimated size is also kind of same, 686 and 685, so slightly kind of close to each other only in terms of the exporting size. Let me slightly change the bitrate, decrease to 25.14, yes. So now it should be kind of close to each other, as you can see, 656 MB and 657 MB. So let's start the exporting. Let's see which processor will be able to do this kind of exporting faster. We do know the Snapdragon 870 is absolutely faster, but still I just want to see how powerful this Snapdragon 865 can be there. So let me try to start at same time. So both phones are started at same time, and this is the Snapdragon 865 processor with this kind of navigation buttons, and this is the navigation buttons for the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So this is a Snapdragon 870. So this is going to be really a very tough competition. Well, let's see. So they both are going with the same speed. So this is going to be really very interesting to see which phone will be able to finish this 4K exporting faster. So just I think yesterday and day before yesterday I did focus using the damaged processor versus the Snapdragon processor, but now I'm trying to focus a little bit on the Snapdragon processor versus the Snapdragon. So this is a request which has been asked by a few of the subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So right now the Snapdragon 870, I think it's kind of really close to fast in terms of the exporting, as you can see friends clearly. The Snapdragon 870 chipset, not bad. I think both phones very close to each other, very close. And the Snapdragon 865 is trying to finish the exporting. Oh my god, as you can see the Snapdragon 865, it finished, and the Snapdragon 870 still it's continuing exporting, as you can see friends. It's kind of real strange to see this Snapdragon 865 did finish this export faster than the iQOO 7 device. Now next task is to keep the 1440 resolution. Let me try to keep the 1440. So now it's kind of 1440 resolution in both phones, and the estimated size is of close to 375 MB only in both devices. As you can see, estimated size, both phones same estimated size. So now let me try to start the test. Let's see which phone will be able to perform. And skip, yes. So now let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones. So previously we did see a lot of, I think, difference of close to maybe 5 seconds of difference between these two phones, and the Snapdragon 865 was able to finish faster. So in case if a lot of users they do have this kind of concern that should they buy the Snapdragon 865 for better deal, or should they spend extra money and buy the Snapdragon processor 870, I would say go for the Snapdragon 860. If you are getting for better deal, you can definitely go for the Snapdragon 865 processor itself, no problem at all. But right now in this kind of rendering, as you can see, the iQOO 7 is faster in the 1440 rendering. It's finished, and the iQOO 3 is taking some time, as you can see friends. Yeah, so now let's start with the next test, which is a 1080. So now I'm exporting the 1080 to the 1080, and the estimated sizes are kind of same, and the bitrate is also, everything is same exactly. So now let's see if you try to export 1080. Let me try to clear some data. Yes, yeah, let's start at same time in both phones. Yep, and skip, perfectly done. So now we should be able to see. So this is a 1080 video clip to the 1080 I'm trying to export. So right now it's kind of saving, and let's see. I think the Snapdragon 865 is going slightly faster, I guess so, but let's see. So maybe because of the small screen size I might get that kind of feeling that it's finishing faster, but let's see. And right now I think maybe iQOO 7, I think so. The both are kind of really very close, as you can see. Absolutely try to watch which one will finish faster. Just watch it. I think iQOO 3, the Snapdragon 865, did finish video expecting faster than the Snapdragon 870 chipset. As you can, this is using the kinemaster video editing application, so which is recommended by most of the users to use this application only. And in the 2 out of 3 results, 2 times the iQOO 3 won, which is a Snapdragon 865. That's really good to see. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, bye.